Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful butterfly, marble and glitter ombre nail design using REVEL nail dip powders. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are REVEL Nail Opulent Glitter Dip Powder, Flirty Dip Powder, and Bombshell Dip Powder. I will also be using Activator. I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Kiara Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying clear acrylic powder to my nails. So I apply base to half of the nail and then dip it into the clear acrylic powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into the clear acrylic powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. I'd also like to add that this is an optional step. This nail design was inspired by a picture that I saw on Instagram from a nail tech named Hugh Queen Nails. I saw it and I knew I had to recreate it. I believe she used acrylic and monomer to do this set. So I just thought I'd recreate it with the powder and the powder liquids just to see what the difference would be, and there wasn't much of a difference. It's just that she's a professional, so hers looked way better than mine, but mine looked good enough, I guess. So starting on the pinky nail, I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into Flirty Dip Powder. I did 2 layers of that. Now in a container, I apply some of the Flirty Dip Powder and some of the Bombshell Dip Powder, and then I swirl it together to get the marble effect. Then I apply base to the whole nail of my pinky nail. And then I lay my finger into the marble mixture, ensuring to get the sides of the nails as well. Now I'm applying Activator into a glass. A little goes a long way. Then on the ring finger, I apply base to half of the nail. And then I sprinkle the Flirty Dip Powder on the nails. I did 2 layers of that. The reason why I didn't go straight to the tip is because I'll be placing some of the Opulent Glitter Dip Powder on that side, so it didn't make sense. But if you want, you can apply it. You can apply the Flirty Dip Powder straight up on the. You can apply the Flirty Dip Powder on the whole nail, but I just choose to do it like that. Now, using my acrylic brush, I place it into the activator and then I pick up a small bead of Opulent Glitter Dip Powder and place it on the nail to make an ombre nail design. I usually work with very small beads because I'm not a professional, so I work really slow. And if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. Then when I was finished, I placed some of the iridescent butterflies on the nail. I didn't have to encapsulate the nail before moving on to the middle finger The butterflies stayed on the nails very nicely. However, I was very careful not to touch the butterflies, so I would recommend that you glue it on with some base instead of how I did it. Now on the middle finger, I did another marble design, so I'll let you guys watch and I'll come back when there is something important to say. On the thumbnail, I did this weird design, so my idea was to do a color block. So I placed it into the flirty dip powder first, then the opulent dip powder, and then into the marble mixture. But the marble wasn't that marbly anymore, so it kind of looked weird, but I left it like that, you know. And I did 2 layers of that, but on the second layer, I didn't do anything on the marble because I didn't want it to look worse. It's already bad enough, you know, that's enough. Then off camera, I added some butterflies to that nail as well. Now I encapsulated the nails with Vivian clay. I actually built the nails because they were a little flat, and because I used the activator to do the ombre, those nails still need the base in order for it to set and become hard. If you left those ombre nails like that, they would remain soft and you wouldn't be able to file. So that's why you always have to remember to apply the base on those nails so that it would harden. Then I applied Activator. Someone asked me why I still applied Activator to the ombre nails when I used the Activator to do those nails. So I'm going to tell you what I told her. The reason I did it is because I'm a creature of habit. That's how I usually do it, so I will continue to do it like that. And also to add, I would feel kind of weird not applying the Activator, so I just do it, you know. I also do that just in case it needed the extra activator to harden the nail. I don't know, I'm weird like that. I just need it there, you know. But I honestly don't think it's that necessary, but I just like to do it. So this is after filing the nails, and now I have a choice as to whether I want to apply the powder top coat or gel top coat. and I chose the gel top coat. Now, if you wanted to choose to dip powder top coat, you would apply some activator, wait a while, then apply one layer of top coat with about 3 quick strokes, then wait about 1 minute and apply another layer of top coat with slow and nice strokes. However, since I'm using gel, I don't have to apply any activator. I just go in with the top coat and I cure for 60 seconds. When the nails cooled down, I applied some cuticle oil. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!